conversation between an interviewer and a candidate about a job.
May I come in, sir? Yes, please come in. Please, have a seat. Thank you, sir. What is your name? Sir, my name is Mark Alberto. Hello, Mark. Please introduce yourself. I am currently working as a digital marketing manager in Pico Digital Marketing Company. I have about 5 years of experience in this field. I have done MBA in marketing, which I have done from Cambridge University, London. I did my BBM from Heriot-Watt University. I am almost 32 years old, and I live in London with my family. Why do you want to work with us? When you already have such a great job. Yes, sir, I have such a great job, but I am looking for a change in responsibilities, and I need more experience. Hence, I decided to take this step. This is good. So, tell me, why would you be a good fit for this job? Sir, I believe I have the qualification and experience necessary for this job. I do my work honestly. That sounds fascinating. So, what kind of responsibilities did you handle at the previous company? I oversaw the daily work done by my team. I provide regular reports on the performance of the team and insights on any new trends in the digital market world. I make sure my team is up to date with current trends. That sounds impressive, Mr. Mark. Thank you, sir. Can you tell me your strengths and weaknesses? Sir, I believe in working with a team. Handling a team is actually a big task. I can inspire them as much as I can. Simple tasks like talking to the team, listening to their problems, and then trying to address them can be very helpful. This sounds like a good manager. And you can know about my weaknesses after working with me. This is good. Thank you, sir. How quickly can you join our company? If I resign, I have to give a notice period of 30 days. Okay. Do you have any questions? No, I don't have any questions. Thank you for your time, Mark. Thank you, sir. Have a good day. Have a good day, Mark.
If you like this video, so don't forget to like and share my video. Please press the bell icon and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching this video.